making pancakes. These pancakes are the best. These are so delicious, these are so fluffy, and it's so good to eat with a drip of maple syrup or honey. And plus one, these are so simple to make, you can make this at any time. So without further ado, let's go and see how we can make this.
The ingredients that we'll need for making these fluffy pancakes will be 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups of buttermilk, 2 egg whites, 2 egg yolks, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 50 grams of butter, which I probably didn't film a video of, so sorry for that. Then into your flour add in your salt, baking powder, baking soda along with the sugar and whisk that until well combined. Then set that aside. Into your buttermilk add in your butter, the egg yolks, and again whisk that until well combined. Once your buttermilk mixture is done mixing, pour that over to the flour mixture and again whisk those two until well combined. You don't want small lumps of flour setting in that, or else your pancakes won't be that fluffy enough. So as you can see, my batter is pretty thick, so I'll add in 1/4 cup more of buttermilk just to loosen up the batter. Then beat your egg whites. You don't want them to have fluffy peaks and all, you just want them to get whipped a little bit. And then pour that into the mixture. Again whisk that until well combined. And then set this mixture aside for 10 to 20 minutes so that we get more fluffier pancakes. Once that's done, add a nice dollop of butter onto your pan and melt the butter. You can also use oil. And I have a 1/3 cup over here. I'll be taking the batter in that and pouring it on top of the pan. You can just spread that out if your shape is not well, but that's fine. Pancakes are not always in same shape. So now you can see the different stages. That's slowly cooking. So once you see that the top side of the pancake does not have any more raw batter, you know that it's ready to flip. And that's the golden brown color that we need to achieve. So you don't want to cook the other side too much because it is already cooked. Maybe just 30 seconds and you can take that off the stove. And there you have, your pancakes are ready. Now let's stack them up. Stack around 5 to 6 pancakes at one time. Then add a nice dollop of butter on top and pour some maple syrup over that. Let's cut into this beautiful and fluffy pancakes. And mine is just overlapping to one side, maybe because I'm cutting. And let me just show you. That's a beautiful fluffy pancakes. It's so delicious and so sweet.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please